Imagine waking up to a beachside villa in Bali, exploring the historic streets of Rome, or hiking through the lush rainforest of Costa Rica, all while not even worrying about how you're going to pay for it. I've been lucky enough to travel to some of the most incredible places in the world. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money to make yours. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn your dream trips into reality. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or around the world adventures, these trips will help you build your Travis funds fast. These trips will help you build your These trips will help you build your travel funds faster than you ever thought was possible. Finally, I got it out. Alright, let's dive in and start turning travel dreams into reality. Okay. Now, one thing you want to realize is you don't want to go on a trip and have to worry about where your next dollar is coming from, or if you don't have enough. But if you save money and you just don't spend money on the things you don't need, because we live in a society where everything is buy. You gotta buy everything. You gotta buy this car, you gotta buy this house, you gotta buy this watch, you gotta buy this, you gotta buy that, you gotta buy these clothes, you just gotta spend so much money. And in today's video, we're gonna teach you how to save money in order to do the things that you really want to do. Right? The importance of saving for travel. So, one, either you could have Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Paramount, Stars, Amazon Prime, and you can have those to be paying like $120 a month, or you can save that $120 a month, and in 5 months you can be in Saint Martin, or Colombia, or Peru, Paraguay. Just some places to think about. Just places to think about. You don't want to spend money that you don't need. If you don't really watch Netflix every day, why are you trying to just buy one, or don't buy any. It's simple. Every dollar you need to save. Okay, you need to set specific goals. Another thing you do, you need to set specific goals. What is the destination you want to go? When do you want to go by? What do you want to do? How long are you going? And what is going to be your budget? And stay disciplined with that budget. Why do you want to go here? Just figure it out. This how you're going to figure it out. Go to your flight, see how much your flight is. Go to your room, see how much your room is going to be. Whether you stay in an Airbnb hostel. If you watch my videos, you should stay in a hostel. If you're by yourself or you're with one other person. Why are you going there? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna eat? Where you wanna go? It's just that simple. You know, and then you figure out the prices of everything. Then you be like, okay, that is my target. I need to save. And then you can either put it down in a calculator, or you could just ask ChatGPT, okay, help me with a savings plan for this thing. That's what I do. I ask ChatGPT if I need a trip that I want $4,000 to travel to this place. I need everything down. How many days am I going? What am I gonna do there? Everything I need. The food I'm gonna eat, the accommodation I'm gonna do, where I'm gonna stay, what I'm gonna eat, what activities we're gonna do, where we're going, everything. Put that in a budget and figure it out. Having a vision board. I don't really have a vision board yet. I'm actually gonna make one next month. But a vision board is very important for you to actually see yourself in that place. And somehow it's part of the subconscious mind. You tell your brain, okay, I want to go here. Then you think it, you see it, you smell it, you feel it, and somehow your subconscious mind puts you in a connection with that. And then it tells you things, and it's gonna give you things. Hey, you shouldn't spend your money on that. You shouldn't do this. You shouldn't do that. You got a trip coming up. You got this. You got that. You got this. Come on now. Don't spend the money. Just save. Save as much money. Creating this travel budget. Like I said, what is the estimate cost of everything? Flight, accommodations, food, and transportation. Flight, accommodations, food, and transportation. How much is all of that gonna be? Right? How much is all of this stuff gonna be? And then after you figure out how much all this stuff is gonna be. You write it down and you say, okay, this is what I gotta save. Then you have to figure out how much you have to save each month to even get to that point, and stick to that plan. And you will get there. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. Stuff is gonna come up. People are gonna tell you, oh, we want you to come here. We want you to do this. Let's go out. Let's go drink. Let's go party. Let's go do this. No, just say no. Just say no, 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 no. And no to everything. No to everything, and save your money for the things you want to do. It's just that simple. You want to start a business. You want to travel. You want to get a new car. Save, 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 save your money. Daily saving goals. So set a goal of what you want to save, how much you want to save, and think, how much do I have to save every day? And either you can save every day, or you can just put that money or you can just be like, okay, this is what I gotta save in a month to even be here. This is what I gotta save in a week. So you can put it in a week, however you get paid. If you get paid once a month, you put all your money there once a month. If you get paid every 2 weeks, you put your money in there every 2 weeks and save your money. Don't spend it. Don't go out drinking. Don't be getting no candy. Don't be doing nothing like that. Just save your money and do the things you really want to do. It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. You just gotta put your mind to it. Using budgeting tools like Mint, Notion, Google Excel sheets, Google Sheets. Just keep a budget, or get you a book where you budget your money and you see where your money is coming from. You see where your money is going. You know every dime you're getting in, and you know every dime that's going out. You know everything, everywhere your money is going. And put money to the side for yourself. As soon as you get paid, put money to the side for yourself. Don't worry about your bills. That's what the budget is for. You make the budget and you see how much you have left. You put that money to the side for yourself, so you can be where you need to be. Cutting down on expensive. Netflix, Hulu, eating out, drinking. What else? Unnecessary spending. You have to understand. Everything costs money. And if you don't need it, because if you're on a plane, you don't need your own Netflix. You really don't. You don't need your own Netflix. You don't need your own Hulu. They have movies on the plane. If you have a long flight, they're most likely gonna have movies on the plane. You can have your own DVDs, or you can download movies on your phone. Or if you be like, okay, I still wanna watch movies. Get one thing. Get Hulu, get either Hulu, get Netflix, get Amazon Prime, whatever one is your favorite one, get that one and keep it. Get that one and keep it, and just save the rest of your money. Don't spend it on anything stupid. You're not eating out. Don't spend it on nothing dumb. Smart travel hacks. Smart shopping hacks. Well, you can buy everything in bulk. If you have a Costco membership or Safeway or something. I think it's Safeway. Is it called Safeway? I'm not sure. You can use coupons. Just act like you're broke as hell. Act like you don't even have the money. You have it, but you don't have it to spend. You know what I'm saying? Like, make sure your money is going out and coming back. Going out, it's coming to you, and you're saving. You're keeping it. Because when you just spend it, the universe is gonna tell you, hey, what are you doing? Like, okay, you don't want the money? Okay, we'll take it from you. Don't worry about it. You just gotta, and people buy things like Starbucks coffee. Bro, get you a coffee machine for $50, $60. And you don't have to buy Starbucks coffee no more. That is an investment for you. If you like drinking coffee every morning, you don't need to get coffee every morning. If you need coffee every morning, you know what you do? Get your own coffee machine. And you know all you have to do is put water in it, put the coffee in it, boom. It makes the coffee, put your cup right there, put your cream and your sugar, however you put your coffee, boom, you have coffee. And that coffee is probably gonna last, that one little scoop that you did is probably gonna last 2-3 days. And you don't have to pay for coffee for the next 2-3 days. Save money. Figure something out to save money. Transportation saving. If you don't wanna spend that much money on gas, take a bus, get a bike, get a scooter, get an electric scooter, something. because gas is expensive. But you know what I'm saying. Like, get stuff that's gonna help you make your life easier. Don't buy anything. Just don't buy anything. Don't buy anything. You go to work, save that money. Don't spend it on nothing. If you want to go on a trip, you need to understand, I got this, I got going on. You need to be disciplined with your money. I got this going on, I can't spend this money. It's just that simple. Number 5, you can earn extra income. Fiverr gig work. Do quick jobs, deliver packages, deliver food, Uber Eats, whatever you can to make extra income. Do that to make extra income, and save that income. Save that income. Save that income. Save that income. If you're a video editor and somebody paid you $400 to edit a video, you edit it and you put that money up. Don't even see it. Don't even see it. Just put that money in the savings, and then you might save faster if you're earning extra income. You know what I'm saying? Selling unused items. So I have a lot of stuff in here that I don't use that I want to sell. I just haven't posted it on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp, but I'm getting to it. I need to save because I got over $1,000 worth of stuff in here just sitting in here that I don't ever use. So I just need to sell everything. I just need to start selling everything. So I'm telling you to tell me. You got eBay, got Craigslist, got Facebook Marketplace. You can sell stuff on anything. Earn extra income. You can also have a business of go to TikTok, look at a hot product, order the product, get the product to your house, make videos on it, and post them on TikTok, and make some money from that. You never know what can happen. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's keep going. Saving on travel bookings. Travel deals and travel hacks. You can join a newsletter for airlines, or you can get miles. You know what I'm saying? Save up your miles. Don't use your miles. When you have a lot of miles, then that's when you use them. Like if you're going from Texas to Thailand, or Texas to Bali, or Texas to Puerto Rico, and say it's $2,000. The ticket is $2,000, but it's 100,000 points, but you have 250,000 points. You can use those 100,000 points and probably pay $5. You know what I'm saying? So keep that in mind. Save your miles up and join the advantages. Join the advantages benefits, because it's a lot of shopping you can do. It's a lot of shopping that you can do, bro. It's crazy of what you can do. A lot of shopping, hotels, rental cars, all these different things that you can earn miles on just by purchasing things that you were already going to spend money on. You're going to a new football game, a new basketball game. Hey, you might as well get some miles from it. You might as well make your money work for you. It's that simple. Make your money work for you. Okay, accommodation saving. Hotels are probably the most expensive. I recommend staying in hostels or get a cheap Airbnb. Like some Airbnbs, you might just have a room, or some Airbnbs you might have an entire house. But if you're going with a group, get an entire house. All you guys put your money together, split it evenly, and that's gonna save you a lot of money. And yeah, that works really well. Travel credit cards and rewards. If you have a good credit score and you can get a travel credit card, get a travel credit card, because a lot of things you don't understand is if you have a travel credit card and you buy a flight from that travel credit card, you probably earning 10 times the miles on that travel credit card. Like it's insane. It's insane the benefits you have. And if you got an American Express credit card, gold or platinum, you can earn a lot of points off of travel. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. Travel hacking and discounts. Sign up for newsletters so you know when discounts are coming. Let them send you emails when they got deals or discounts, because you never know. It might be a ticket to Japan for $240. $240 to go to Japan across the world. Whatever, like that's stuff to think about, bro. That's stuff to think about. And just save. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. It's not easy, but you have to save your money. You have to be able to control yourself. Use cashback and discount apps like Rakon, Honey, yeah, Groupon. Yeah, I don't use none of these personally, but I know these are the people have used these and these work. So you get cashback, or you can use it towards other things. So try that out. Another method, leverage loyalty points. So you fly with American Airlines, who I fly with. You fly with American Airlines. Every flight you do, you fly with American, or you fly with a partner of American, and you earn loyalty points just like that. Like it's insane. Like some of the things you can do. Okay, now we learned how to save money. So basically, make a budget. See how much you're getting paid for the month. Make a budget and save some money every month. Save $100 every month. Save $200 every month. $300, $400, $500, $600. Like just save. Make a budget and save, and continue to let that. I don't know how to explain it. You have to save. Save so you do the hard thing now, so your life is easier later. It's just that simple. Do the hard thing now, so you don't have to worry about it later. You learn how to save. You gotta learn how to save for your next trip, and you learn how to save. And you learn how to spend less, and you're gonna learn how to find out what is taking your money that you don't even use, you don't need, and yeah, do that stuff. And you even found some things that you can sell. Find some things that you can sell in your house that you don't use, that you don't want. You know what I'm saying? And get rid of it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's simple. And also, stay flexible with your travel plans. You never know, because you might want to go somewhere in June 22nd, but June 25th. You know what I'm saying? June 25th might have that deal where you get there it's $800 on June 22nd, but on June 25th it's $200 to get there. So you know what I'm saying? So you gotta pay attention to the deals and all these things. It's not hard. It just takes a little time. Travel during peak seasons. I said this in my last video. Travel during like the rainy seasons. That's when everything is cheaper. That's when you're gonna get the most out of your dollar. That's when a lot of tourists are not coming because they feel like, oh, it's raining every day. It's raining all the time. I'm not gonna be able to do nothing. But you're gonna be able to still do things if it's rainy season. It doesn't matter. Okay. Are you feeling inspired? Are you feeling inspired to save for your next adventure? If you enjoyed these save money tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more tips or tricks and guides on travel. Got any saving tips of your own destination that you travel to? Drop them down in the comments. We would love to hear them. Every dollar you spend every dollar that you save brings you closer to having what you really want, and that is travel. Let's make it happen together. Thank you for watching the video. My name is Theo.